How to remove login password from Windows 11 PC or laptop. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and in this tutorial I will show you how to remove your login password from Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without further ado, let's get started. First click on the Start button or simply Windows search icon at bottom left. Now you have to type in sign in option. From the space match, you need to hit sign in option and click on open at right corner of the screen. Now you will get access to this account section of sign in options where you need to click on password and then expand the section. Now click on change button. Now you have to enter your current password. Now click on the next button. From this change your password section, you need to simply keep all these boxes blank and click on next button. And after that click on finish button, and after that you need to simply restart or simply log out or sign out from your PC, and after that when you log back in your system will no longer ask for a password. In this way you can easily remove login password from Windows 11 or 10 PC. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.